I want to encourage you, if you've been discouraged in your sleep medicine journey, I want to encourage you to start looking at the journey as something that you can find joy in, rather than the fact that you haven't reached the destination or you haven't reached your goal. Because there are a lot of beautiful things that you can accomplish in that journey, a lot of amazing people that you can help save the lives of during that journey, and you need to take joy in that. I was speaking to a dentist down in Palm Springs this weekend at SomnoMed Sleep Summit, and she was discouraged because she was only doing 20 deliveries a month. And I said, oh my goodness, like, you're doing better than 95% of the dentists at this meeting. Why are you discouraged? She goes, well, the other dental sleep medicine providers in my area, they're doing 60 to 80 a month. And I said, do you realize how many lives that you've changed over the last 30 years that you've been doing this, and you're doing 20 a month? That is incredible, absolutely incredible. So look for that joy in the journey rather than the dissatisfaction of not yet being at your destination.